Hold it on to me. We as the country and Kenny Park, like, why is it him? In the dude, I'm so drunk as fuck with that man.
Who send the message in the battle rap community first, because we respect you.
What, brother? Okay, fine. For the message I'm in the community. Ever face so, Irani, Uktata, Yankini, but Angane, Siamtinga, Oguti, see if it's the lean side, you don't do the power rap. Just me being honest about it. But what I'm talking about, we'll see. Don't want to post it out. The candidate for discussions. You want to post that? What we need is, we'll see. Learn to put me a pan there. Ingahlali ki niche community face. Put me a pan there. We want other people to care about it.
We need the money. Abantu abazokemblisha.
Exactly. Bapeche. Utubana funa petisha bani. Babe nendaba.
Yeah, dog.
So then like made the big group kuphela. Dude, every time I see your post as a grouping, I don't delete them. Because I get the point, it's with the point. As in it's not enough, bro. Work, whatever. Dude, no. Outside of the group, it makes sense. Outside, that's where people care. I was see find the name.
Thina the competition. Thina entertainers for abantu.
Exactly.
Michael.
Then the find my post it.
How's it, Michael?
Then the find my post it. So we see most millions of politicians can pay. Most of politicians can pay. Many was the politicians can pay because they don't think that now. I go see. Just
for who's bank guessing, man, yeah.
I be about.
No, what's in a like singanza computer. Kota ithina kumele siphakela abantu entertainment.
No, fair.
No, to see pile sodwa lento.
Lento bayenza ngisho wrestling.
Dog.
Wrestling wonke umuntu ufuna ube champion.
Dog.
But uyazi isikhathi sakhe siyazi. Into kumele yenze kumele jabulisa abalandeli.
Futhi.
Nakuthina into efanayo.
Futhi.
Jabulisa abalandeli kuyibona bese bafisa usuba into ethize bese siyazini. Makuthi championship angisho ukuthi khona. But makuthi championship asikheze and kube wena siyazini. Kheze enganqoma bese.
Futhi. Ngiyabonga
That's my point, bro.
Ngiyabonga.
Mina pheze ngikubona post afethu. Ngikubona post afethu.
Nale iyakhona because the message yencawo semathi ayidinga dog.
Uzabaningi abayibona lonto leyo. No, it's bigger than that, right? It's bigger than kuthi dope kephi nanani now, bro. Like say people relating to that shit.
Nigga.
Like yokutshela ukuthi mfethu ungamodla uya criminal campaign right now.
Sure.
I hope you people can see that. Communicate right now.
Yeah, that's true.
But if the crowd or whoever is watching doesn't fuck with him, who work them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not dope.
The definition of work, individual.
Exactly. It's who's watching that matters, dog. So now it's about what matters is who's watching. Who's watching? Umnike lonto ayifuna vese.
Ngiyabonga nje this is dope dog.
I know ngiyabonga vese.
That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you King Yam.